police examination to become a recruit, they are put Arabic there, in case you don't know, and they are infiltrating everywhere. But the power of Jesus is going to stop all the most. The power of Jesus is going to stop all the most. Somebody say, well, no, you see, I'm from the east. It doesn't concern me. Go to the east today. They call east. Go to Niger Delta. They are penetrating everywhere. And we must not therefore sit and fold our hands and close our eyes. There is nowhere in the corners where they give paper to build church. No. And you can verify that. But they are penetrating the east, asking your governors to give them land with endorsement of CFO. We must wake up. 2019 will be a deciding year for the church. We must wake up. We will not use our hands to vote for people who will kill us. Are you hearing me at all? We will not vote for people who have value for cow more than value for life. Wake up. A word is enough to the wise. Rise to your feet. You can be in any party of your choice, but don't vote for anyone who is against your face. Don't vote for anyone who will forget your vote and slaughter your neck.